I went from a server making $360 a week to building an $800,000 a year event space business. No experience in events, no business degree, and definitely no rich parents. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. The real version, not the highlight reel. The actual story of how I got started, what almost broke me, and how I turned it into what it is today. If you're watching this thinking, that sounds cool, but I don't know if I could actually do it, I want you to stick around because where I started is probably a lot closer to where you are than you think. So let's get into it. Now, before I ever got into event spaces, my life was pretty normal, it was pretty regular, right? I was working as a server at an Italian restaurant in New York City, making about $360 a week. Now on paper, everything looked fine, but day to day was the problem. It felt like I was stuck in the same loop. I'd wake up, go to work, do what I had to do, and at the end of the day, I'd be tired, but not any closer to where I wanted to be. I was trading time for money, and no matter how much effort I put in, it never felt like enough. And honestly, the money part sucked, but the bigger thing was the feeling. Like, I felt stuck. I felt unfulfilled, and I felt like I was doing everything right and still falling behind. I remember thinking, like, is this really what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my life? But the breaking point for me was working an entire week and looking at that paycheck, $362.48. I still remember like it was yesterday, and I felt homeless. Mind you, I had a college degree. It was one of those moments where you stop and you realize nothing changes unless I change it. And that's when I started looking for something different. Not a side hustle, not another job, but something that actually gave me real leverage. And that's when I came across the event space model. Now, what had happened was I started working the open houses of an event space in my neighborhood and noticed how much people were paying for a single night. $400, $600, $1,000, sometimes even more, and it was crazy. At first, I didn't even take it seriously though, because it frankly wasn't my money. But the more I looked into it, the more it made sense. People already needed places to host events. They were already paying for them, and the business itself wasn't complicated. No inventory, no shipping, no crazy technology or anything like that. Just a simple business model. Have a space that people rented and that they're willing to pay heavily for. And then there was the flexibility. I mean, you don't need to scale to a massive operation to make good money. You don't need a huge team right away. You don't need to be some expert to get started. I remember sitting there thinking, wait, this actually feels doable. It's not perfect, it's not easy, but it's definitely possible. And for where I was at in my life, that was enough to take the first step. So once I decided I was actually going to do this, I mean, I'll be very direct here. I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't have some perfect roadmap that you see now today. I just knew I couldn't stay where I was. So I started with the space. I started going on different listing sites after work, and I started driving around different neighborhoods, calling numbers that frankly sometimes just didn't even pick up. And the first space that I found, I mean, don't get me wrong, it was rough. When I walked in it for the first time, it looked like It used to be a daycare, and they had like these multicolored tiles. The paint was like orange and blue, and the place had been vacant for like 2 years. Definitely not something you'd look at and think, yeah, that's a venue. But I wasn't looking for pretty. I was looking for profitable. Now, the funding part was where it really got real, right? For my first venue, I didn't know about funding, so I used my own cash. Big mistake. I literally plunged my life savings into the space, and I remember sitting there thinking, okay, this has to work. But the build out was next, and that's what shit really hit. It took about 60 days, and again, I didn't know what I was doing. Some of the work I hired out, some of it I did myself, but when we finally opened the doors, it wasn't perfect, like at all. There were still things missing, stuff I wanted to upgrade, details I noticed that probably nobody else really cared about, but it was open. And then came the first inquiry. I still remember getting the first message. An inquiry came through Instagram. I quoted them like $400, literally just to get the sale. And when that deposit hit my account, I just stared at my phone, looking at my bank account, and I realized that this shit was so real, because in that moment it clicked. Someone was willing to pay for this, and that was huge. But here's the part that nobody really prepares you for. After that first booking, things were still slow. Some weeks were quiet and money felt tight. Doubt started to creep in, and I remember thinking like, did I make a mistake? Was I crazy for doing this? And there was a real moment where, believe me, I almost quit. Not because I didn't care, but because it just felt so heavy. But what kept me going is remembering why I started in the first place. Like, going back to my old life as a server, that wasn't an option. So I kept showing up. I kept fixing what wasn't working, and I kept learning as I went. And slowly things started to change. Now, if you're watching this thinking, okay, I want to do this, but I just don't know where to start, click the first link in the description. I put together a free guide that breaks down the entire system step by step. For a long time, I thought the answer was just working harder. I thought if I answered faster, took more calls, and basically said yes to everything, that eventually would click. But that's not what changed it. The real shift happened when I stopped trying to hold the entire business together myself, and I started treating it like an actual system. For me, that moment was when I got to my third location and realized I really needed a solid team. And I didn't realize it at the time, but that one decision changed everything. Before that, I was stressed doing everything myself. It felt like if I took my foot off the gas for even a second, everything would just crumble apart. part. And after I learned to delegate and let go, things really started to feel steady and eventually take off. I wasn't chasing every booking anymore. I knew where the leads were coming from. I knew what numbers needed to look like for the business to work. Before that changed, I was doing about $30,000 a month with my event spaces. Cool. Within about 6 months though, we were doing back-to-back six-figure months. That consistency is what allowed me to stop surviving and actually start building a real business. I could hire help. I could step back. I can make decisions instead of reacting. Before we sold the business, we had done $3.5 million in aggregate sales. And this was with about 3 locations and a team of about 7. My role was no longer running the business. It was growing it. You don't need to be special to do this. I wasn't. You don't need perfect credit. You don't need a huge savings account. You don't need to have it all figured out. But what you do need is to stop waiting, because the people who win aren't smarter. Believe me, I never was. They just decide faster and follow a system longer. And if you're still watching this video, that tells me something. You're already thinking about it. So the real question isn't, can you do this? It's how much longer you willing to stay exactly where you are. I'm not special. I didn't have connections or advantages. I just found a model that works and figured it out step by step. If I can do this, 100% you can do this. If you want help getting started, if you want the roadmap so you don't have to figure it out all alone like I did, click the first link in the description and grab the free guide. It shows you exactly how to find a profitable location, get funded, and land your first bookings. And if you're serious and you want hands-on guidance, apply for a call with my team. We'll look at your situation, build a custom plan for you, and show you how to make this happen. Now, we only take on a small group every single month because everything that we do is hands-on and personalized, and we have a money-back guarantee. If we don't help you find a profitable location, you can have your money back plus $1,000 on top. Links in description. Let's go.